Greetings, Dennis Daniels. This is Screencast-o-matic, and I'm using Record My Desktop to record. Hope you can hear me. The audio is unfortunately not very good. I'm going to start Screencast-o-matic, and it says that it's loading. It says the applet is loaded. Down here you can't see it, and it's still loading. And that's what it does. It just loads. The errors, let's take a look at the error screen, error console. And most of the errors are CSS, except these, which are setup XUL element disabled. I don't know how to fix this, so appreciate any help you can offer. Thank you.